What up, everybody? This is Al Phillips with A3 Digital Studio. I will be introducing a brand new product today called Ringtone Revolution. All right, check this out. This is what a normal iPhone ringtone sounds like. And this is what Ringtone Revolution sounds like. As you can see, these ringtones are far superior than anything that you have on your phone right now. So we have these in so many different ways. We have them in MP3, Wave, AAC, M4R. We have them all for iPhone and for Android. You need to go ahead and get your copy today. Thank you so much.